My clients have been appearing before you ever since the 5th of May of this year.
Since the 5th of May.
Up to date?
Up to date.
Despite this matter being in the public domain?
Despite the matter.
The ODPP's office
Public.
still believe they need 21 more days to review.
ODPP office
and give us a decision.
needs 21 days to give a decision.
Secondly,
Second,
despite the IO taking oath and giving those statements,
taking oath and giving.
he has no capacity to swear on a statement of another independent officer.
He has no capacity to swear on statement in
The third,
office.
I had raised an issue of perjury
I have raised an issue
against the officer who was given a statement
of perjury
and his counterpart,
against the officer has
and the such
issued a statement and is
we have no interest
about
in any statements he's given before this honorable court
such
until we prosecute our application for perjury.
interest.
On final submission, Your Honor, we request that we provided with the statement he has read
Execute the application
and we seek to personally summon the officer who authored that particular memo.
we request to be supplied. It's a memo.
Yes, by his sworn statement, he said it was a memo.
Statement.
That is all.
Your Honor, the last date that the matter was active before this honorable court, I was informed that there was summons issued, and it was alleged that we had misinformed this court. I'm here to clarify that. Your Honor, prior to that, on that material day, the ODPP had informed the court that they had received ODPP, that is ODPP Kahawa, had informed this court.
ODPP Kahawa,
Yes,
Kahawa
had informed this court on 19th
informed
through the prosecution counsel
19th of
this month.
November.
Yes,
Right.
this month,
Yes.
in a memo dated that date, that the file had been received. Yes.
Just focus on this.
Yes.
Allegations.
So, in addition to that,
Yes.
I'm duly informed by the ODPP
Yes.
that that ODPP headquarters, that is the Rakati Road.
Headquarters. Sweden Road.
Yes,
At which road?
Rakati Road, the ODPP head office.
Yes.
Yes, had forwarded to the ODPP Counter-Terrorism and Transnational Organized Crimes Division.
According to them,
Yes, the file, police file.
this file.
Yes, and had been
That is which department?
the Counter-Terrorism and Transnational Organized Crimes Division
Under
and Transnational Organized Crimes Division
Organized.
on the 19th of November, the same date. That is when they had received the file. They had received the file.
Date.
This
That is when they received the file. Yes.
this information I have received due to a mutual understanding between the two independent institutions, that is ODPP and DCI.
The information due to the mutual understanding
As we tend to
between
follow up on
the
orders and directions issued by these courts,
ODPP and DCI. We comply
whereby whereby we were able to follow up on that mutual understanding. We were able to follow up as a courtesy to this court, go to follow up
as courtesy to the court. Yes.
the proceedings of the other independent institution undertaken from Ragati Road to up to the Counter-Terrorism Division, that is Kahawa.
Institution.
And these we were guided
Terrorism. Yes.
that the file had been transferred from ODPP headquarters due to the nature of inquiry which touches on transnational and cyber aspects of the case.
The nature of inquiry which touches on
Transnational and cyber aspects of the case,
touches on transnational. Yes.
and which required specialized technical attention from officers
Which required specialized
and technical attention from officers
and technical attention from officers. Yes.
assigned to deal with such issues like the said Counter-Terrorism Division.
Such issues. Yes.
I'm guided by ODPP
Very good. ODPP. Yes.
that such complex matters, such nature of complex matters
Yes.
involve volatile electronic evidence
Involve volatile electronic. Yes.
aspect of cross-jurisdiction evidence gathering and collection
Aspect of cross jurisdiction
that
evidence
will
gathering. Yes.
indeed invoke diplomatic channels through mutual, that is through mutual legal assistance.
Chance through mutual legal assistance, yes.
And the ODPP being an independent office,
Independent, yes.
appreciates the seriousness and national interest implication of such a matter.
Patience. Serious. Yes. The seriousness
And as they endeavor to comply to the decision to charge guidelines.
yes.
They will indeed rely on two aspects.
Yes.
That is evidentiary tests
That is
evidentially tests and public interest tests.
public interest test.
They have appreciated that is the ODPP has appreciated the fact that the suspects therein, in our case, that is
Yes.
and before you under this miscellaneous application E1640 of 2025,
Yes.
and currently on various terms in these honorable courts, that is bond terms.
Yes.
And they have guided me to move this court
Yes.
to seek more time as they finish deliberating on the case file and issuing directions.
Have the liberty to do it?
And they continue to embark on as they continue to exercise their mandate of decision to charge, in short.
So it's there. Mandate. And decision to charge.
Hearing, they have indicated from 21 days.
Indicated 21 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
As we continue to indeed honor orders and the various directions to this honorable court,
Directions, yes.
we will continue
The court
as per our mandate
wish continue as per
to ensure that the nature
show the nature, yes.
and operation in terms of investigation that pertains to our mandate
Terms investigations, yes.
we shall maintain high levels of confidentiality
Shall maintain high level of confidentiality
in the matter until the liberation or guidelines and final guidelines are issued by the ODPP.
guidelines issued.
This is in respect to Section 49 of the NPS Act.
Section 49 of the Evidence Act, yes. Okay.
That is subsection 7 to 9 therein.
Yes.
That is all, Your Honor. Before you pen off, Your Honor,
Yes.
I was reminded that for the purpose of justice,
I was reminded for the purposes of justice. Just
we are not here to encourage antagonism between independent offices.
purposes of justice.
Yes.
We are not
Here to encourage antagonism between independent offices.
Antagonism between independent officers.
But rather to encourage, or rather encourage a full or empower full exercise of the independent mandate.
6. Exercise independent mandate. Yes.
With that in mind,
That in mind. Yes.
we will continue to honor any orders or directions issued by the court.
Team to honor directions
And any guidelines issued by the ODPP in respect to the matter that is under investigations.